Welcome to this complete Zanzibar travel guide. We're about to embark on an exciting journey through a land of exotic beauty and captivating culture. Nestled in the azure waters of the Indian Ocean, Zanzibar is a vibrant archipelago that promises an unforgettable adventure. From the historic alleys of Stone Town to the pristine white sands of Nungwi Beach, there's a world of wonders waiting to be explored. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 10 things to do in Zanzibar. The first stop on our journey is Stone Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This ancient heart of Zanzibar pulses with a history as rich and vibrant as its labyrinthine streets. Stone Town is a melting pot of Arab, Persian, Indian and European influences, all of which have left their indelible marks on the town's architecture. The stunning coral stone buildings, adorned with ornately carved wooden doors and balconies, whisper tales of sultans and spice traders. As we delve deeper, we find the cultural significance of Stone Town extends beyond its architecture. It was here that the abolition of the slave trade was declared, a momentous step in human rights history. The bustling local markets, the hauntingly beautiful call to prayer, the lively street food vendors, all paint a vivid picture of a town alive with tradition and culture. Stone Town is a living testament to Zanzibar's rich history and is a must-visit for any traveller. Next, we head to the pristine sands of Nungwi Beach. This isn't just any beach, it's a slice of tropical paradise where the azure waters of the Indian Ocean gently lap against the white sand. Its beauty is unparalleled, a sight that's sure to take your breath away. Here at Nungwi Beach, there's no shortage of activities to indulge in. For those who wish to bask in the warm Zanzibari sun, sunbathing here is an absolute delight. You can feel the sun's rays kissing your skin as the gentle sea breeze whispers sweet nothings in your ears. If you're more of a water baby, take a dip in the clear turquoise waters. Just let the cool water envelop you, washing away the city's hustle and bustle. And for the sporty ones, a game of beach volleyball could be the perfect way to make new friends. So whether you're a sun worshipper, an ocean lover, or a game enthusiast, Nungwi Beach is the perfect place to unwind and soak up the sun. Our next destination is the intriguing Prison Island. Nestled just off the coast of Stone Town, this small island, also known as Canggu Island, holds a haunting past. Once a chilling hub for the slave trade, it was here that slaves were detained before being shipped off to far-flung corners of the world. But don't let its dark history deter you. Today, Prison Island is a haven for nature and history buffs alike. Its most famous inhabitants, the giant Aldabra tortoises, some of them over 100 years old. These gentle giants, originally from Seychelles, roam freely around the island, a sight that's bound to leave you in awe. While here, take a moment to visit the ruins of the prison and the quarantine station that once housed the ill. A walk through these relics is a walk through time, a poignant reminder of the island's history. Prison Island serves as a poignant reminder of Zanzibar's past, but also a sanctuary for nature. Now we venture into the heart of Zanzibar, Jozani Forest National Park. A tropical paradise, this park is home to a stunning array of unique flora and fauna that will leave you spellbound. As we journey deeper, the path is lined with lush ferns and towering trees, creating a verdant canopy above. The real stars of the show here are the rare red colobus monkeys. These cheeky primates, with their distinctive red coats and playful personalities, are one of the few remaining populations in the world. It's a privilege to observe them in their natural habitat, leaping from tree to tree with acrobatic prowess. The park also hosts a myriad of other species, from the elusive Zanzibar leopard, reportedly extinct but rumoured to still roam the forest, to the tropical bird species that add a symphony of sounds to the forest's ambience. Jozani Forest National Park is a haven for wildlife and a must-visit for nature lovers. So come and immerse yourself in this vibrant living tapestry of nature. Next, we head to the iconic rock restaurant for a unique dining experience. Perched on a rock in the turquoise Indian Ocean off the coast of Zanzibar, this restaurant is as unique as they come. The journey to get there is an adventure in itself. During low tide, you can meander through the shallow waters, and during high tide, you're whisked away in a boat. Once you arrive, you're treated to a feast for the senses. The restaurant's specialty is, of course, seafood, caught fresh daily and prepared with a blend of local spices. From succulent lobster to the catch of the day, Every dish is a culinary delight. But it's not just about the food. From your table, you can gaze out at the panoramic ocean views, watch the sun dip below the horizon and feel the gentle sea breeze on your face. Dining at the Rock Restaurant is an experience that combines stunning views with delectable food. Our journey continues to the serene Kendwa Beach. This slice of paradise, nestled on Zanzibar's northern tip, is the epitome of tropical bliss. Imagine crystal clear waters so transparent they mirror the azure sky above. The sand underfoot is a dazzling white, a perfect contrast to the brilliant blue of the Indian Ocean. The allure of Kendwa Beach goes beyond its visual appeal. It's a place where time seems to slow down. You can lose yourself in the rhythm of the gentle waves lapping against the shore or the rustling of palm fronds in the soft sea breeze. As the day draws to a close, Kendwa Beach unveils its final surprise. The sunsets here are nothing short of spectacular. The sky transforms into a canvas painted with hues of orange, pink and purple, brilliantly reflected on the tranquil ocean surface. Kendwa Beach is the perfect spot for those seeking tranquility and stunning natural beauty. Next, we embark on a sensory journey with the famous Spice Tour. Zanzibar, aptly nicknamed the Spice Island, is a trove of aromatic treasures. Here the earth yields a bounty of spices like cloves, nutmeg, cinnamon and black pepper, each with a unique story to tell. Our journey begins in a verdant spice plantation where the air is heady with the scent of fresh spices. Each plant, each tree serves a purpose, from the tall, unassuming clove trees to the creeping vines of vanilla. It's a fascinating world of flavors just waiting to be discovered. The process of cultivation and harvesting is a testament to the skill and patience of the local farmers. Each spice is carefully nurtured, hand-picked and sun-dried, preserving its potent flavors. This meticulous process is a silent, rhythmic dance between man and nature. The Spice Tour is a must for foodies and those interested in learning about Zanzibar's spice trade. It's a sensory experience that's sure to spice up your journey. Now we dive into the clear waters of Mnemba Atoll. Mnemba Atoll, a protected marine reserve, is a treasure trove of vibrant coral reefs and an astounding variety of marine life. Imagine swimming alongside playful dolphins, colorful clownfish and graceful sea turtles. The atoll is a must-visit for scuba diving and snorkeling enthusiasts, offering unparalleled underwater experiences. The warm turquoise waters are inviting, with visibility often extending to 30 meters, making it an ideal spot for both novice and expert snorkelers. Dive into the heart of the Indian Ocean and marvel at the underwater spectacle. As you float on the surface, remember to look down. You might catch a glimpse of a stingray gliding below or a school of shiny fish darting around the coral. Mnemba Atoll isn't just a snorkeling spot, it's an underwater safari, a celebration of the ocean's diversity. Mnemba Atoll is a paradise for underwater explorers and marine life enthusiasts. Finally, we end our journey at the vibrant Forodhani Gardens night market. Nestled in the heart of Stone Town, the market springs to life as the sun sets, transforming into a bustling hub of local culture and commerce. The air is filled with enticing aromas of freshly cooked local delicacies, from sizzling skewers of seafood to sweet tropical fruits. Stroll through the aisles and you'll find tables laden with a cornucopia of crafts. From intricately woven baskets to vibrantly patterned textiles, each item tells a story of Zanzibar's rich heritage. And let's not forget the local products, from exotic spices to hand-carved wooden artifacts, each a testament to the island's rich resources and skilled craftsmen. As the night unfolds, the market becomes a lively symphony of sights, sounds and scents. It's an experience that engages all the senses and truly captures the spirit of Zanzibar. Forodhani Gardens Night Market is the perfect place to immerse yourself in local culture and pick up a souvenir or two. And there you have it, the top 10 things to do in Zanzibar. We've sauntered through the streets of Stone Town, basked on the beaches of Nungwi and Kendwa, and discovered the spices that make this island so unique. From the tranquility of Jozani Forest to the bustling Forodhani Gardens Night Market, we've tasted the exotic cuisine at the Rock Restaurant and marveled at the marine life in Mnemba Atoll. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Zanzibar. We hope to see you on the next adventure.